Hello, friends. As always, like my other videos, this one also promises to enhance your knowledge about real-world things. Recently, I observed a remarkable occurrence right outside my home. Within a single day, construction workers efficiently renewed the street. I was curious to know the names and functionalities of the machines they used for asphalt pavement. In this video, you'll have the opportunity to learn about these machines and witness them in action. Stay tuned for an informative exploration. The first one is cold planers. It is used to grind and remove the pavement.
Work, 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 work. You see me heavy work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. You saw me by that work, 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 work.
The second one is excavator. It is used to dig or excavate rocks and load them onto dumper trucks.
Hard work, hard work. Hard work, hard work. Hard work, work. There you go. Hard work, work. Hard work, hard work.
The 3ND1 is street sweeper. It is used water, brooms, and vacuums to pick up small debris. This is asphalt pavers, and it is the booze of all machines. It is designed to lay asphalt concrete on the surface of roads and bridges. The average cost of an asphalt paver can be between $50,000 and $100,000. It depends on capacity and length of machine.
The sun comes up and the sun goes down. Work away, work away. We'll haul that lumber, lift that frame, grab a little shovel and do it all again. The sun comes up and the sun...
If you feel this video added even a little information to your life, feel free to subscribe and share it with your close ones. Thank you for your support. This is Road Roller. It is designed to flatten and smooth road surfaces.
काम 25 है बोले दो
25 दिन है
गेम ओवर
बचा लेना अपने से
काम 25 है काम 25 है राम नाम सत्य ये खुले आम हत्या ये काम 25 है काम 25 है सुन ले दो अच्छे से डर जा मरने से काम 25 है काम 25 है मेरे जैसे एक तेरे जैसे 36 है काम 25 है काम 25 है बोले दो गेम ओवर.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? $20? No, too much money.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है ये जो जीवन तुम लोग जी रहे हो ये कोई खेल है? That it's a bloody game?
In the car, split full of green, twisting my cigar, bitch throwing fits, get
To stay informed about similar informative videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, whatever viral content. If you feel this video added even a little information to your life, feel free to subscribe and share it with your close ones. Thank you for your support.